Hi everyone. In the last episode, we learned about encapsulation and abstraction. Today, we'll cover inheritance, one of the core pillars of object oriented programming. Inheritance allows us to reuse code and build relationships between classes. Inheritance means creating a new class from an existing class. The existing class is called the base class or the parent class. The new class is called the derived class or the child class. The child class inherits data and functions from the parent. Let's understand this program. Here we declared a class animal, which is the base class. Dog inherits from animal using public animal. And now the dog can both eat and bark. Let's see the output. And we got animal is eating, dog is barking. C++ supports different types of inheritance, giving flexibility in code organization. There are 5 types of inheritance: single, multi-level, multiple, hierarchical, and hybrid. In single inheritance, we have one base and one derived class. In multi-level inheritance, we have multi-level classes. For example, class A, then class B, and then class C. In multiple inheritance, a derived class inherits from multiple base classes. Please be clear with multi-level inheritance and multiple inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, there is one base class and many derived classes. Hybrid inheritance is combination of above types. This very program is an example of multi-level inheritance. Here, class animal has a function breathe that says animal is breathing. This base class has a derived class mammal in which the function walk prints mammal is walking. Here the class dog is derived class for mammal and hence multi-level inheritance. Let's see what the output will be. Dot backslash hello. So we got animal is breathing, mammal is walking, dog is barking. Access specifiers decide how members are inherited. We have 3 access specifiers. First one is public inheritance. Here, public members stay public, protected members stay protected. Second, protected inheritance. Here, public and protected members become protected. In private inheritance, everything becomes private. Most commonly, we use public inheritance. A derived class can override a function from the base class by redefining it. Later, with polymorphism, we'll see how this becomes more powerful. Here, we declared a class animal, which is our base class, and then a class dog, which is derived class. In the int main, d.sound function overrides the function sound, and hence the output will be dog barks. Inheritance help us avoid duplicate code and build logical relationships between classes. So, in this lesson we learn what inheritance is, different types of inheritance in C++, and how function overriding works. This is what you have to do. Create a base class person with a name and age. Derive a class student with marks and another class teacher with subject. Write functions to display their details. If you completed the challenge, drop a paw in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe because in the next episode we'll cover polymorphism in C++.